Hey, it's James Nicholson and welcome back. Now, I want to congratulate you for getting through these 5 videos because most entrepreneurs and business owners give up. They expect things to be easy and they don't understand that you actually have to persist and put some time aside to get results that you want in business. So congratulations on doing that. Now, if you haven't done so by this point, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell because we've got new content outside this playlist as well. Hundreds and hundreds of videos on growing and scaling a business and new content coming out every day. So I don't want you to miss out on that. Now, growing a business is really, really important. And what happens with most entrepreneurs is they try and get married on a first date, which we've covered, right? We say people go and try and get their core offer sold without building any trust or relationship, and that just frustrates people, right? Now, that's all well and good, but what I also come across quite a lot is business owners just telling me they need more leads all the time. Now, you've joined this video series because you wanted more leads. Fine. However, what's more important is that you look at additional products and services that you can sell to the clients that you've got already, right? And that is a real secret to be successful in business. You see, most businesses go looking for new clients constantly, rather than adapting, creating new products and services that could work for other people. So we mentioned Polly Tomlinson in one of the previous videos, and so Polly has the homeopathy book. And so when I met Polly, she was a homeopathist and doing good stuff, doing well, but it was exhausting, right? And so she wanted to add other products in to get better quality clients that paid her more, but also gave her more time freedom as well. And that's what you should do. Now, Polly has a book as an entry level, and that can help people, right? So lots of people grab this book, check it out on Amazon, and they grab the book and then they're all good and they get some health benefits from it. But a few of them, or a good percentage of them, will still want Polly to help, right? Because maybe they know what needs to be done, but they need Polly to hold them accountable or need Polly to sell them something that will help serve them and get them more healthy, right? Now, that's her main core product, is the homeopathy stuff. And then she'll have direct debit stuff. So a lot of people, and she was just getting people to rebook each month. If they had an eczema treatment, for example, then they'd come back next month and say, hey, I still got eczema, but that whatever you gave me before worked wonders. Can I get some more of that? So now she's added that on direct debit. So she's got recurring income coming into the business from that, which is really important. And then Polly said, you know what I'd really like to run, James, is a retreat. Right? And so she launched a retreat, and she did this just before the pandemic, and she sold 10 places on the retreat for £10,000, not £10,000 each, £1,000 each, right? So 10 places at £1,000 each. It was a wellness retreat, a detox retreat, and a yoga retreat, all in one. And she got a really nice Airbnb up in Yorkshire, beautiful place. And ladies just went for a long weekend with her and really got to detox and really focus on cleansing their body, and they all enjoyed it vastly. Now, for Polly, they were existing clients, right? They'd already had some sort of experience with her. Maybe they'd bought her book, maybe they bought a book, maybe they bought her homeopathy products or something like that, right? And so she didn't have the cost of getting the lead again. She just created something. She'd had hundreds of customers and she only needed 10 of them to buy that to make 10 grand in a weekend. Give me a yes if you'd like to earn £10,000 in a weekend doing something that you love, right? Now, her future plans are to then go on to places like Bali and do these retreats once the world is back to normal. But for her, just launching that retreat was really, really important. And so we call this 5th C, continue to sell to people, right? Now, I worked with a property trainer a couple of years ago, very successful guy now, but he just wanted to launch a book. And I was like, wonderful. You can launch a book and you can really help serve people, but you won't make any money doing that, right? And also, how many books have you got that you haven't read, right? So the book is a good start, and a lot of people will take you up on the book, but not everyone will always read that, and they might want more support. Now, a lot will read it, right? A lot of them will read the book, and then they will want more support. So then he had a program that was around what he taught in the book, and then he had mentoring and retreats and stuff like that. And so he added more products in, because if he didn't do that, they would go and buy that from other people. Now, you're not forcing these customers to buy it. They don't have to buy it, but they want to buy it, right? And so when you create other products and services, we will dominate our market. Most businesses don't do this. Every business can do this. And I want to give you some more examples on how you can get this working properly in your business. And look, you've watched 5 of these videos now. I think the best next step for you is to grab a free copy of Expert Mastery. So what I'm going to do is put a link in the description so you can grab a free copy of Expert Mastery. This will go into more detail. It will give you more ideas on what your premium products could be that you continue to sell to people. It will show you real world examples of other business owners that have implemented this stuff already. So I want you to click in that link now, go and grab a free copy. Thank you for getting so far through this, these wonderful 5 things. Don't underestimate any of them. Don't miss any of them out. They make a huge difference to your bottom line in your business. Trust me, when you implement this stuff, this will change your business forever, I promise. Now, look, if you've got value from this, give me a quick like on the video. Give me a comment to say what you learned from this. Even if it's just to say hi or introduce your business, do that in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. I've got wonderful content coming up over the next few weeks and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So do all of that now and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.